This short guide shows how to buy shares of ICU Medical Inc., a medical device company that makes infusion and IV therapy products listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ICUI. This is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ICUI to locate ICU Medical Inc. Then select the matching NASDAQ listing shown in results. On the stock page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm this is the correct ICU Medical Inc. NASDAQ listing with ticker ICUI. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. And if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After confirmation, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.